guys, welcome back. So today is September 1st, and what that means in my book is that I can start decorating for fall. I love fall decor, especially too. It's way less time consuming to decorate for fall in my house than it is for Christmas, which is coming in a couple months, which is crazy. But anyways, I did want to mention that I do plan on hitting up like a couple other stores like Home Goods, Hobby Lobby after the fact, like in the next week or two. So any home decor that you do not see today, you will see that I do end up purchasing, you will see in my fall home decor house tour that I do every single year. So stay tuned for that. I will also show you guys in that video how I decorate my front porch. I just feel like it's a little bit too early to start putting pumpkins out. So that video will be coming soon. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to decorate with me for fall, then just keep watching. So hopefully you guys can see me okay, and I'm just gonna try to move my tripod throughout my kitchen as I'm decorating. So I just got done kind of clearing off all my normal home decor that I have in my kitchen, pretty much from spring until now. And I wiped down all the countertops, and I thought it would be perfect to use the Method All-Purpose Cleaner in Honeycrisp Apple. It smells really nice, so I just wiped down everything to make room for the new decor. So this is most of the decorations that I'm going to be using in the kitchen, so I figured it would just be easy to kind of put them all on my island and kind of go through and arrange them throughout my kitchen. So that's what we have to work with right now. So this might be a little bit harder than I thought, kind of moving the tripod around as I decorate. So first off, I'm going to start with this corner right here, and I have this sign. I think I got this at I want to say like Home Goods or Marshalls last year. It just says it's pumpkin spice season, perfectly appropriate. So I'm just gonna kind of lean that up against the wall like so right there. So fall means candy, which me and my husband are guilty of year round, let's be honest. But in the fall, I like to, you know, have like a little decorative like jar. This is like a ceramic jar, like a pumpkin. I think I got this at Michael's last year. And I like to put M&Ms, like all the fall M&Ms in here, just, you know, if I want to pop some in my mouth. So I usually keep this like right around here. So these are all my new Bath & Body Works candles I kind of just have sitting here, and I have a couple more behind me, so I'll probably put those away soon, but for now I just have them there, so I'll probably just leave them there. I probably should have mentioned that my color scheme, if you guys have watched any of my house videos before, you guys know that my kitchen and my living room is like whites and neutrals, so that's what I kind of like to go with for the fall. That's a lot of my fall decor is white, so I figured I would just mention that. So next, the windowsill is going to be a little bit hard to film because it's so bright there, but I will kind of show you guys afterwards. I have this little wooden pumpkin, and it says Hello Fall, and I think I got this at JCPenney's last year. It's really cute. It's like a nice little like sweater material, so I am just gonna kind of pop that right behind the sink right there. And I have these pumpkins I got at Hobby Lobby. I have a whole bunch of them. You guys will see me use these when I show you guys how I decorate the fireplace, but I'm just gonna, they say give thanks, but I'm gonna kind of turn them around so that you don't see the lettering on it, and I'm gonna pop both of these on the other side of the pumpkin on the windowsill. So I know it looks super bright, but that's kind of what it looks like. I kept my little crystal votives that I have, and then I popped those pumpkins in between them, and then I put the big pumpkin right there. So right next to my paper towel holder, I had, and usually like for most of the year, I have a crystal vase with fake white flowers, so I put that away. And for the fall, I did this last year as well. This is from Michael's. It's just a really nice kind of like cream color mason jar. It says Fall Market, and then they have those little like $5 you know, bouquet or bundles of faux flowers. So this one was nice because it has like cream and white, and then it has these like wooden flowers, which I liked. And then it also has, if I can find them, it's got like some like cotton pieces as well, as you guys can see. So I bought, I think, like 3 of the arrangements and kind of put it in this cute little mason jar, and I thought that that looked really cute right there. And then I have some more Bath & Body Works candles sitting over here, and I popped a little pumpkin in between it, so that's kind of what this corner has going on. So that's what I came up with for the island. It's just a big pumpkin in the middle, and I believe I can turn that on, and there's like an LED light that shines through, and then there's just some 2 you know, medium-sized pumpkins, and then 2 smaller-sized pumpkins. And I believe the big one in the middle is from Marshalls or Home Goods, then the 2 medium-sized pumpkins are from Michael's, and I believe the smaller pumpkins were like in a pack of mini pumpkins from Hobby Lobby. So that's what the island looks like. And then lastly over here, I'll probably end up changing this like a couple more times. I wasn't sure what to do over here, so I just popped that like kind of knit sweater material pumpkin, and then I have cinnamon spice vanilla. It's like the marble candle, and then I just have this like marble pumpkin that I popped on top of it. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Like, I wasn't really sure what to do. I think last year I had this like little glass dish that I popped that, you know, the sweater pumpkin in, and then I had pine cones around it. So I might end up doing that instead, but for now that will do. I have some dish towels that I like to swap out with fall ones. So this one I'm gonna put on the stove right there, and this is, I believe, from Hobby Lobby, and it says gather together. Then I have two of these little fall decorative dish towels. I just threw them in the dryer and kind of folded them back to the way I bought them, and I am just gonna pop them below the sink. That's what the one towel looks like on the stove, and then those are what the dish towels look like right there. So since I have a leftover pillow that doesn't really match the color scheme of my living room, which we're going to go into next, I did this last year. I just popped this extra pillow on one of the bar stools. Koala is currently occupying this one, so I'm just gonna pop this right there. Okay, you guys, so we're in the living room, and I have these two pumpkins that I'm going to place on the end tables next to this couch. I don't know if you can see the one here, but there's two end tables. Now, these pumpkins I got at Michael's, and last year I like went crazy buying white pumpkins. So these ones are really nice. They're like almost like a metal material, and then they just have the brown leaf. So it kind of goes, it's like a rustic pumpkin, and it kind of goes with like the color scheme of my living room. So I'm just gonna pop those on the two end tables. So next, moving on to this centerpiece, I like to keep it and kind of build on it. So last year I got like these pumpkins. I think I got these pumpkins from either Hobby Lobby or Michael's. They're just like plastic pumpkins that are white, and I added like straws to them to make them my own picks, because they didn't have like picks that were white pumpkins. Hobby Lobby has like a better selection of picks than Michael's, by the way. And what I did last year was I kind of just started stuffing them in this white flower arrangement of mine, and it's cool. I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done, but I kind of just customized it to make it my own floral arrangement. So I'm just gonna put the white pumpkins in here, and I'll show you what it looks like in a second. So if you can see, I kind of just popped the pumpkins inside the flowers, and I had some extra pumpkins I kind of put on each side. Hopefully it's not too dark. So last year I ended up buying this burlap ribbon for fall, and then I kind of just kept it there as like a little runner for the fireplace to kind of cover up the sound bar. So that I've had since right after winter, so I'm gonna keep that. That'll be a perfect theme for fall. I have some string LED lights running through this burlap garland, and this burlap garland, by the way, is from Hobby Lobby. And then these LED lights at night, they look really nice. They turn on around like 5 o'clock or so, but at night they just make the fireplace look really nice. So lastly, since I really don't have to do much with the fireplace, if you guys remember these pumpkins that I was showing you guys before, they say give thanks. So I think I'm gonna turn them around so you can't see the give thanks, and then closer to Thanksgiving, I kind of pop them so you do see the give thanks. And what I'm gonna do is kind of just position them on the fireplace. I think I have 4 of them, so I'll show you what it looks like shortly. That's what the fireplace looks like. It's really simple. Again, at night with the LED lights, it looks really nice. And honestly, if I could find a little kind of decor piece that said fall instead of home, that would be perfect. So I will be on the lookout for that, but right now that will do. Lastly, you guys, I just have some other fall pillows that I'm gonna kind of swap out or add to my couches around me. I'm not exactly sure where I'm gonna put them, so you guys will probably, you know, see the full tour in my fall home decor house tour video, but I just quickly wanted to show you the pillows. This pillow right here, I believe, is from Marshall's or Home Goods, and I love it because it's kind of like, you know, all pale colors in like a rustic theme, but it's a cream pillow, so it does match, you know, my living room. So I think last year I put this on the big couch. I'm not exactly sure where I'm gonna put that, but I just wanted to show that. The next one right here, I got at JCPenney's last year, and it's just got gold sequins, like rose gold sequins that are pumpkins. I love that as well, and it's like that nice cream color that will match my living room. So you guys will see what it looks like completed with any other added decor. I do plan on hitting up a couple stores like I was saying, so some things might look different, but for the most part, I wanted to get the bulk of the stuff out and up to show you guys what it looks like. So that is it for this fall decorate with me. Let me know in the comments down below, what is your color scheme for the fall that you like to decorate your house with? Is it similar to my kind of neutral white theme, or is it different colors? What are your favorite stores to shop at for fall decor? I would be curious to find out. But anyways, that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.